Hello everyone, I'm Gina. You know Chinese people love rice, right? But if you think rice is only a kind of staple food, you've missed a lot because it could be a tasty snack too. And that's what I want to share with you today. Guoba. It originally refers to a layer of rice that are congealed into a lump when cooking. When people find its crispy texture, they make it into a snack. People like to make it when they cook extra rice and they don't want to waste them, or when they're craving for it. They're crispy and savory and very easy to make. Now, let me show you how to make them and tell you the names of the ingredients. First, you need some cooked rice. I have around 250 grams left over here. Then you mix them with an egg, 鸡蛋, some soy sauce, 酱油, some salt, 盐, some black pepper, 黑胡椒, and a little sesame oil, 芝麻油. Mix them well and roll them on a baking sheet. Brush with some oil, then bake them for 30 minutes under 180 Celsius degree. While we're waiting, let's review all the ingredients. 鸡蛋, 酱油, 盐, 黑胡椒, 芝麻油. Now the guoba is done. Let's check. Wait for it to cool down. Then you can cut them with a knife, or just like me, break it off with hands spontaneously. Here you go. Go ahead and try it. I will see you next time. Bye.